In this video, you will learn to describe the installation steps necessary to use Samba.
Now we are going to talk about Samba and the step-by-step installation. So let's suppose that we already have our virtual machine and we have our Linux distribution installed. In my case, I'm using the Ubuntu distribution. You can use CentOS or Linux. But what is Samba? So Samba is an open source or free software suite that provides assemblies, file, and print services. It uses TCP ATP protocol that is installed on the host server. If you configure correctly this software, it allows you to interact with the Microsoft Windows client or server as if it is a Windows file and print server. So it allows for established communication between Linux and your server. So for example, I have here my Linux distribution and I just want to share files or information between my Windows host and my Linux server. So we're gonna learn how to do that. So basically, we just need to run the following commands on our Linux distribution, and we will get the Samba installation. Then, as soon as it is installed, we will see the following file that is under etc Samba, and we just need to do a backup of this file because we need to add some lines in there. So in order to do that, with the cp command, we're gonna copy the etc Samba smb.conf file under etc Samba smb.conf, adding the that back station that represents a backup. So as you can see here, I already did the backup of my SMB config file. Now we just need to edit the file, and we can just use Nano or VI to edit this file and add the following lines. We just need to copy this information and paste it into this file. It doesn't matter the order, but we just need to make sure that we have all the lines in that file. Then we just need to create a directory with the mkdir command. Our directory is under Samba and the name is anonymous. Then we just need to set up the permissions for this specific folder and then restart the service that will allow us to establish the communication. The name of the server is Samba, so we just need to use service smbd restart. As soon as we do that, we just need to jump to the Windows host, in this case our computer, and under network folder, we just need to add the IP of our Linux box. In order to see the IP, we just can use ifconfig, and it will display all this information, the IP, the interface, and everything. If you want to create a folder, but with a password or secure folder, we just need to edit the same folder, the same file, but we just need to add the user and also the following lines to create a folder with a specific password. In this case, we are creating this folder with a secured name under Samba, and then we are providing the permissions to that specific folder. And also we are adding the following lines under etc Samba smb config file that was created during the installation of Samba. Then we just need to restart the service, and we will be able to see the secure folder in our Windows computer. And if you try to double click and access this folder, it will be requesting the user and password. So thank you guys for your attention. This was the basic Linux training. We just saw a few commands that we can run in different distributions on Linux. Also, we saw the way to establish communication between Linux environment and Windows host environment. So hope you can try to run some commands on your side and practice a little bit more about Linux.